All right, got a little video, got a little teaser coming up for the Trackhawk. Got some presents today. Wonder what that could be. We're gonna unbox them and see what we get. Okay, all right, we got this thing unboxed, and oh boy, I'm glad I stopped the camera because this wasn't so bad. This just came boxed up like this. It's the X-pipe. They cover up all tips. I guess this is not so delicate, but man, look at that. That thing's crazy. Look at that. But as far as boxing and what they give you in GT Haus, I'll tell you what, the guy at the packaging department needs a raise, because the amount of packaging on here, it is like crazy. Crazy. They swaddled these things. That's where you wrap up a baby real tight. Anyway, that's what swaddle means. Don't say I never taught you guys anything. But yeah, all these peanuts in the box, and then all this. I'm not gonna go ahead and unbox all. I'm not gonna rip this all apart for everybody, but those are the pipes that lead to this. And man, look at this. That's what comes in the box. Really, really nice packaging. Amazing work. And apparently, I'm one of the first people to get the vacuum system for the bypass here. It's a vacuum as opposed to electronic valves. They come with a 5-year warranty, and I guess I'm the first, so I'm really happy about that. And here's part of it. Comes in that little box right there with a bunch of instructions, some stickers, and you got your one-touch remotes. This is the electronic brain of the operation, and some switching and the valves and all the parts you need to take care of the vacuum system with the hoses. And I believe that it's just a more reliable system for them, and that's why they chose to do that. That's pretty much it. But I mean, really impressed. The workmanship and everything. I mean, I'm sure you guys have looked into it. I mean, you know, a firm believer in you get what you pay for typically. Oh, and here are my tips, by the way. Here are the tips. I decided to go with carbon fiber tips. I think they're going to look really good. Really, really good. Over here, I know there were quite a bit extra, but I mean, I think that they're really going to set that off. I think it's going to look just right, because I really like the carbon fiber look on all the cars. I really like that little bit of carbon fiber here and there, even on the Jeeps. The Wrangler and all that, it has a couple of little accents like that, but look at that. That's going to look great. I don't know if it's going to stick out. I have to figure out where it's going to land, but there's something like that. But I can't wait to hear this thing. That's what we got. So, looks pretty good. Really excited for this. Really excited. But this is how they come. Packaged really nice. Nice details. And that's like the new system apparently. The vacuum exhaust. And like I said, they have pretty detailed instructions. Probably not going to tackle this myself, only because I'm not that familiar with cutting into vacuum lines and whatnot in vehicles. I probably won't tackle that myself. But as far as this goes, from what I understand, they really do a good job engineering getting these like bolt in. Just knock them right in, they go right in. So I'm probably going to hit up Alex or one of the guys, see if they could give me a hand with this and get this installed right and see what it sounds like. So I can't wait. I'll do a follow-up video with all this installed, but I just wanted to do a little unboxing and show you what I got coming up for the Trackhawk. And that's pretty much it. We'll go from there. So I wanted to do a little quick video on the Trackhawk. And again, I don't know, maybe this is the first video I'm making about it, but that's where we're at. All right, cool. So hopefully I'll make an update video, maybe an install video. Try to get this thing going, see what it looks like when we get it up on a lift. So we'll see you then.